Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila banlek puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio prano lani khandai pran rio laisan an riway khandai pra. Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpanyutarek Ujamang Arjar Plie, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Balne Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwe Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907.
Katanat Commerce jangka Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai, ringkat ke jingetrai langka Career Guidance and Placement Cell, TJSC. Kalau Plie ke kerdan Plie ke batiap kum ke tali ERP.9 ha Thomas Jones Synod College lingba ke jingkersan ke Meghalaya State Skill Development Society na benta ki samla jongko West Jainti Hills District. Ya kan ke kerdan Plie la Plie do kongsan u MLA ke Jowai u wailat miki sela ha ke jingdon lang sembut kongsan u Deputy Commissioner ke West Jainti Hills District uba B Solia ki nohikai ke Thomas Jones Synod College ki samla Plie bat ke wikwe.
They are providing the startup tool as well, but as you know, for Tally it is with software, so I don't think they will be able to provide you with startup tools. But with different trades, they already provided their software tools, and I'm very happy to inform you as well that many youths through this program have got the job placement. Here I can see through the records. Here that almost 50 youths have employed through service sector that is data entry operator, street food vendor, home health aides, with average monthly earning from 6,000 to 10,000 per month. They already means they're employed, and also through self-employment also around 235 students or trainees have employed through self-employment. So with the monthly earning not less than 6,000 per month. So it's a very good opportunity, keeping in mind, especially today, if you see that we are facing with this employment, especially when most of the people used to think that employment is only through government jobs. But you do understand that government will never, not only the Meghalaya, but all over the country, will never be able to provide you with government jobs. So that's why it is the endeavor of the government, especially under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, that he already mentioned, especially with our vision document in this in our last election of 2023, that we will be providing 5 lakhs job to our youth, because keeping in mind that almost 70% of the population in our state are below the age of 35 years. So that's why we have started so many programs, especially through the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. So I will urge all the students to please enroll yourself, like the previous speaker before me already mentioned that don't be mistaken that today we are starting this in the Thomas Jones Synod College, so it will be only for the student of Thomas Jones. But it is meant for all the students or all the youths of West Jainti Hills District. They can enroll themselves, and as they mentioned that for the first batch they will be taking 30 students for 6 months, and after that another 30 students. And like the head of the Department from Commerce have said that she requested that this program should continue in the future as well. So from my end, I would like to tell you that if you perform well, then I'll assure you that you will definitely get it every year. So I'll request you that to please do the good job, and from our end, we'll try to bring more and more trades to give you the opportunity. But at the same time, I would like to request you that please don't change from one trick to another trick.
Skills, as we have seen, as we know, either we are born with it or we are growing with it. And in times, especially nowadays, in this generation now, set skills are such that we have to grow and evolve with the times. Actively, as students, as teachers, as faculty members, as officers dealing with the subject specifically, and as administrators, and perhaps even from the policy decision makers, like the honorable MLA who's a politician, makes policies at a certain level. Certain policies should be evolved and thought of for the times that are coming ahead.